the C00269 Junior Preformed Clamping Tool. This tool is designed for use with the junior style preformed clamps only, for bandwidths 1/4 inch to 3/4 inches, regardless of the material. This tool will tension beyond the limits of 2,250 pounds of force to yield 3/4 inch with 201 stainless steel band material. Let's review the tool's components. At the nose of the tool, we have our cutter blade and our backing plate. We have our shear hook, and we have our cutter handle. Moving on back, we have our slide block assembly with the gripper and gripper spring under the gripper. Running down the middle of the tool is our tension screw. On the back, we have our bearing and our tension handle. Let's install a clamp onto a hose assembly. It's strongly suggested that you secure the tool in a vise for band clamps larger than 1/2 inch in width. When we set up for our assembly, first we want to make sure we have the slide block pushed all the way forward before clamp insertion. Now we're going to take our assembly with our holes marked in the right positions for the clamps. So now I'm going to open up the gripper, slide the clamp tail through the nose of the tool under the gripper. Squeeze down on that gripper if it's not taking a good hold. Now we're ready to tension. We are going to tension the band until it's yield. You'll know its yield point once you see the band materials stop passing through the buckle. Once it passed through the buckle, we have reached its yield strength and we attained its maximum holding force. Any tension beyond that point will not add to the holding force but stretch the band material. And so I see the band has stopped passing through the buckle. I've reached its yield. Now that we reached the maximum amount of tension, we're going to roll the hose over 30 degrees while backing off the tension handle a 1/2 turn to a full turn. Once we have it placed, we want the shear hook to connect with the buckle. Now we're ready for cutoff. We're going to take one strong stroke with the cutter bar. So we're going to remove the clamp tail and return the sliding block into the starting position, and then we're ready for our next assembly.